You open the minibar, move a can to make room for your own drinks, and by checkout there's a charge for something you never touched to drink. Not a mistake, not a glitch. Somewhere inside that fridge, a sensor felt you lift that can, and it made a decision about what that meant. Hotels used to check minibars the old-fashioned way. A staff member walked every room, every day, counting bottles by hand. It was slow, it was expensive, and it left the door wide open for human error. Someone marking a can as sold when a guest had simply never touched it, or missing one entirely. So hotels started replacing human eyes with sensors, small, cheap, and always watching, never needing a coffee break or a day off. The catch is that a sensor can't tell the difference between a guest who drank something and a guest who just rearranged the shelf to fit their own groceries in. Under many minibar shelves sits a tiny load cell, the same basic technology used in a kitchen scale. It's tuned to detect changes as small as a fraction of a gram, which means it isn't just watching for a can leaving the fridge, it's watching for the exact weight sitting on that shelf at every single moment. The instant you lift a can, the weight drops, and the system starts a countdown. Put the can back in the exact same spot before that countdown ends and nothing happens. The system assumes you were just checking the label. Set it down one slot over, even for a few seconds, and the countdown runs out. And as far as the fridge is concerned, that can is gone for good. Bottles that lie flat, usually the taller or bulkier ones, use a completely different setup. A small magnet mounted on a hinge, pressed up against a sensor on the shelf directly above it. Slide the bottle into its spot and the weight of the bottle pushes the hinge up, holding the magnet in contact with its receptor. Pull the bottle out and the hinge drops, breaking that contact. After a preset delay, sometimes just a minute or two, the system logs that as a sale, whether the bottle ended up in a suitcase or just moved 2 inches to the left. Here's the part that trips people up. These systems aren't actually tracking the drink itself, they're tracking the slot. Every single position inside that fridge is wired to expect one specific item, and the system only knows 2 states, occupied or empty. Move a can from slot A to slot B, and slot A reads as empty, full stop. It doesn't matter that the can is still sitting 6 inches away inside the exact same fridge. The system has no concept of somewhere else in here. It only knows what left its assigned spot. This isn't a rare glitch a handful of guests happen to imagine. It's common enough that it shows up again and again as a known source of billing disputes across the hotel industry. Guests charged in full for items they never opened, let alone drank. Some properties have responded by backing away from automatic sensors entirely, switching instead to fridges that only get stocked when a guest specifically requests it, so nothing gets billed unless they actually asked for it in the first place. So next time you're in a hotel room, don't be fooled by those beverages staring at you. They're keeping score.